Okay, welcome to Wikis. A wiki is an editable web page that you and your students can edit. It's really quick and easy to set up, and they're really good tools for instruction. There are lots of different wikis out there, and the one I'm going to feature is called pbworks.com. Used to be pbwiki.com. There is another site on here called wikispaces.com, and both of these have been really traditionally good education sites. And they both do a lot of the same things. They both have a lot of features, some more than others. The one that I prefer is pbworks, but other people swear by Wikispaces, and so what I would encourage you to do is just try both of them out and see which one fits best for you. Alright, so I'm going to do pbworks just so I can show you and give you an idea of how to get in here. This is the main website. It's gone through a lot of changes over the years. They've expanded their horizons to businesses and all kinds of different uses. But for us, I just want to kind of walk you through some of these features in here. If I click on For Education, I'm going to go to the overview. I would take some time to look over some of these things, give you an idea of how people are using wikis in their classroom and their district. I will give a quick shout out here. If you're on Twitter, this is a quote from Angela Cunningham, and she is KY Teacher on Twitter. Good to see her on there. That's good. Once I'm in here, I'm going to click on the features, just give you an idea of what's under there. Gives you a brief overview of what you'll be getting into. Collaborative editing, so more than one student can collaborate on a document at the same time. Complete history and audit trail. What that means is every time a page is changed, it will save a copy, and so you can go back to it and see who's changed what. We'll get into more of that when we do the basics. And easily invite students, which is a new feature recently for pbworks, and we'll be getting into that too. I'll be showing you that. Talk more about the customization, the different types of templates you can use. If you click on resources, this is a good tab to look at whenever you look at some training, some support, how to use it. So outside of these 3 videos, if you need more support, there's plenty of support here for you. Alright, so I'm going to click on sign up now, and it's going to give you an idea of what the different options are that you can sign up for. We're going to stick with the basic. You can see the main differences right here. The first main difference you're going to notice is the storage space. You get 2 gigs of basic for free. If you pay $100 a year, you get 40 gigs of storage. And the customization, we'll talk about that a little bit more. The data export, that's an important one. What that means is at the end of the year, if you've got a bunch of sites that your students have used, if you have the classroom version, you'd be able to take those sites and export them out to other places so that you can have the kids take it with them. And that is a good feature. That alone sometimes might be worth $100 a year. But if you're just getting started with wikis, I would encourage you just to try out the basic. So I'm going to click on select here for the basic. It's going to ask you to choose an address, whatever .pbworks.com. I'm going to go ahead with Teacher Tech Vids. Click I agree, your name, email address, and a password. Hopefully that one will work. When you click next, it's going to send you an email to confirm that you've signed up. So I'm coming over to my email here. Watch it pop in. I'm sure it'll pop in here any second now. Okay, so that took a little bit longer than I thought. But the email does pop in here. Confirm your account. Click on it. Click on the link to activate. Takes you straight to this page where you are ready to get going. Choose your workspace's security settings. Who can view it? Anyone. Only people I invite or approve. I usually keep that on anyone. Make sure to accept, and then take it to the space. Now, this is it. This is how you've gotten started. You now have your wiki. It's ready to edit. It's ready to add new pages. It's ready to add some users. And I'm going to stop right there, and in the next video, that's exactly where we will begin. We'll begin learning how to edit these wiki pages, how to add more pages and files, and especially how to add some student users.